Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the Sunrise public testnet. This is a data availability layer with proof of liquidity and fee abstraction, bootstrapping rollups with modular liquidity for many ecosystems. So using Sunrise is as simple as LPing into a pool of your choice to receive blob space. And this is a testnet that you will be going on the journey of, and we'll dive into some airdrop updates as well that come along with participating in this testnet, as well as some Galaxy tasks for you to do. So before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like these incentivized testnets and performing certain tasks, doing Galaxy quests and campaigns. It's all about, interacting with all sorts of projects and protocols and getting your little on-chain achievement tokens right here, these little oats that could be your key to a future airdrop. So if you do have any questions or comments or need any help with quests or campaigns that we cover here, or you have any video recommendations, please jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. We got a lot of amazing people in there. We're growing fast and like to see you in there. So with that, let's dive in. This testnet, so it's the Awakening testnet, is incentivized, designed to reward most active daily users, rise up on the leaderboard and compete daily in order to secure top rank. So complete tasks on Sunrise L1 to earn points and refer friends for boosts. You can interact with liquidity pools, swap, and with new features being added over time. So here's a little Medium article on their testnet or their airdrops allocation. So Sunrise airdrop wave updates. So these stakers, snapshot date was back in June, and Celestia stakers plus LST, which is Milk TIA and Stake TIA. Milky Way TIA holders are eligible for Wave 2. Stride TIA holders, that airdrop's already been taken, or the snapshot. So they have a third wave, undisclosed ecosystem. Wave 4 is Galaxy and incentivized testnet participants, which has not had the snapshot taken. So that's participating in the Galaxy events right here, or campaign. If you go back to the Medium article, go to Sunrise and you can find the Sunrise Testnet guide, which just came out yesterday. Today is July 2nd. So this will show you how to go through the testnet and how to connect your wallet. You must have, so they are using Ethereum virtual machine, and the wallet must have at least one transaction on Ethereum mainnet and at least 0.001 ETH. So these are your requirements. Must have at least one transaction and at least 0.001 ETH on the Ethereum mainnet. So if you don't have that, get that done. And performing testnet activities, claim testnet tokens. So you connect your EVM and Cosmos wallets. You can claim 10 Rise every 24 hours. You can swap tokens. You can provide liquidity. This is reminding me of Ellis, the Ellis testnet. So let's just kind of dive in. And these are all social tasks. So if you go, I'll post the links for these. Let's actually go through the quiz right now. So I'll go through the quiz. All of the above, both A and B. Let's see. IBC fees, validator fees. Nope. 2 and 3. Nope. 2 and 3. Huh. Those A and A. There you go. Okay. Now you can complete all these. Just go to the Discord, visit the testnet guides. Now we will go on to the meat and potatoes. So we'll connect our Cosmos with Kepler. We'll connect our Kepler wallet. Okay, approve. So that is connected. No? Okay, maybe we have to click it again. Manage wallet. Okay, our Cosmos is connected. Now we go to Ethereum, click on MetaMask or Rabby. So here we go. All right, let's get some tokens from the faucet. So once we get our tokens, we can go over to the swap function. See, I'm gonna pull these over to the side right here and complete these. So that's processing, failed to get response. So I tried to use the faucet, but it didn't work. Interesting. So it looks like I am stuck. Looks like it's just taking a while. Okay, well, if we don't have any, okay, I don't think these are test nets. Yeah, I don't think there's any test nets on here. I don't know why it showed me this. I'm gonna disconnect my wallets and then connect them again, because we need to see if there's any technical issues or what the issue is with this website. It's causing such a lag. Well, looks like it's still having some issues. So we're going to go ahead and just go to swap. We're just going to walk through it as if we have the tokens available. So you should get some Rise tokens from the faucet. Now you can just come here and select any of these. Let's see what networks. Oh, so they do have mainnet stuff. Okay. So Yeah, we're having issues. So stay on the Sunrise and swap for each one of these tokens. I don't know how much it'll be, but I want to put in 0.01. However much you get, put in a little bit, swap for each one of these tokens. And let's see what VRise is. Interesting. Okay, so once you have a little Atom, a little USDC, and a little USDT, we will go to the liquidity pools. So that's the problem with testnets is they can be very slow and buggy. So there we go. So just be patient. Now, each one of these first three, you'll want to provide liquidity once you have your tokens. Now, you'll split the amount. Now, put a little bit of each. You still want enough for gas fees, so don't put all of your Rise tokens in there, but just put half of what you have of the amount. If it's 0.01, put 0.005. Put in half of what you have. That way you can use it for other things. So you go back to liquidity pool, do the same thing here. Put in half of your USDC. If you have $1 in USDC, put in 50 cents. I don't know, however much Rise tokens you have, it will determine how much you need to put in. But make sure that you have an equal amount of both. And once you have these three liquidity pools filled up, we'll go to governance and let's see, points program. So where is it at? So I cannot get VRise. I don't know how to get VRise right now, but yeah, not sure how to get the VRise, but it doesn't look like you can trade for any of these assets either. No, so I'm not sure how to get the VRise. You should be able to lock up your Rise tokens. So the validators might not be working right now, but this project is doing an airdrop. So I would suggest you come in and do the Galaxy tasks. That way you are covered. Lock VRise. I don't think it's ready yet. So we'll go back home, go to deposit. Nope. I think that's just the mainnet stuff. Okay, so it looks like you get VRise when you stake your tokens or put it in the liquidity pool. So when you have your tokens in here, you get VRise as the reward. And then when you have VRise, when you claim your VRise tokens, down here, it'll say claim VRise. Then you go to governance, lock your VRise if you can, and then choose a delegator. But it looks like this one's not ready yet. So if you can get the faucet and get some assets, I'm not able to get it at the moment because it's just not working for me. But this would be a good one to keep on your radar. Remember, daily tasks, points program right here, claim VRise, and engage in the swap, add liquidity, and decrease liquidity. So you can remove your liquidity, referral programs, and boost campaigns. So if you would like, where's my Cosmos wallet? It is connected. So I will do my best to post a referral link with this, but it says that I don't have a Cosmos wallet connected when I do. So we're gonna test this out again. Nope. Okay, I'll do what I can to get this, but I'm gonna see what the issue is. I'm gonna jump in their Discord and see what the heck is going on and see if I can get some answers. But yeah, Sunrise Testnet, keep this on your radar. They do have an airdrop that will be coming in Q3, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, if you do ever need any help, have any questions or comments, please jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.